You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me tonight, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Member of Parliament and National Spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawala, lawyer, Ishkaran Bhandari, advocate, Saad Sherwani, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist. But my first question goes to Sujata Paul, political analyst. And Sujata Paul, I want to ask you, are we as opposition parties in India trying to create a situation where we are giving a platform to outsiders and platforms to separatists who have an anti-India agenda? They don't even like yoga and chai image of India. And they're saying people are losing interest, crowds are dissipating, so let's lagao some tarka, let's light some fire. Is that the trap you think you want to fall into?
Absolutely not. And first of all, I condemn it and it makes my blood boil. Who the hell is Mo Dhaliwal to utter one word against my country? If he's saying something, I condemn it, and I'm certain that any patriot will condemn it. He is a nobody as far as India is concerned. He is an outsider. If there is outrage outside, that is a different issue. But he has no business to be waging war or calling for a war to be waged against my country. And
he has no business. He has no business. But Greta Thunberg's toolkit, which she tweeted and then deleted, has his footprint all over it. So what he says about Republic Day protests and violence is something that was carried out. So how can you say he's nobody to wage a war against India? He did. He used susceptible people.
All right. Can I come here? Yes. Who is he? That's what I'm saying. And my government, as far as any issue like this is concerned, we stand with our government. And
oh, yes?
Sure our government
but the Kerala Mahila Congress tweeted one of the tweets that was put out by this very presentation. So what are you saying? What are you saying? The Congress is guilty of using the cut and paste tweet that he had made and put in the toolkit, and they tweeted it on the 18th of January.
Navika, I'm so glad you're giving me time to speak. And this is so very important. First of all, I'm nobody in the Kerala Mahila Congress. And the second thing, when we are talking about something like this happening, there should be an investigation into why anybody can go and copy-paste anything. Just like our actors, our celebrities are doing it today. We should be condemning them and our government should be taking action. I'm sure they have enough holes.
Do you want to condemn the actors? You want to condemn the sports stars? You want to condemn everybody? Paint everybody with the same brush?
Maintained in the country. I do not want things to be exaggerated. I know my government is good enough, strong enough to handle these issues. And in these matters of national security, I do not think there can be anybody who would stand against the government. Please, we will be standing with our government against Mo Dhaliwal. We will be standing with our government against any such force. Is there any doubt about it? Can there be any doubt about it?
Well, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi?
She's saying so emphatically, and I agree to her.
And Ashutosh Mishra, Sujata Paul says that our government is very competent and it will handle the national security challenge. So the national security challenge, the government is competent to handle, but the government is not competent to handle the farmer protests, which is why all opposition parties are, in the name of farmers, giving space and giving legitimacy to those who are fighting against India.
और सुजाता जी, आप कानूनों की बात करती है, कृषि की बात करती है. मेरा एक सवाल है आपसे, अगर इसका जवाब दे दिया तो मैं आज की डिबेट छोड़ दूंगा. मुझे ये बता दीजिए कि 3 कानूनों का नाम क्या है और कितने क्रॉप्स पर एमएसपी दी जाती है. चलिए आपकी बेसिक टेस्ट कर देते हैं, कितने क्रॉप्स पर एमएसपी मिलती है और 3 कानूनों का नाम बिना गूगल कीजिए. चलिए आपका समय शुरू होता है. बोलिए.
पहली बात तो
नहीं, कानूनों का नाम और एमएसपी कितने पर मिलता है? कानूनों का नाम, एमएसपी कितने पे मिलता है? सीधा सवाल.
Yes,
प्लीज, आई एम हियरिंग, प्लीज बोलिए.
Produce, Trade and Commerce,
देखकर नहीं।
Protection, Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020. I'm doing it deliberately because I've done this to somebody else. All right, don't test me. I've studied it.
अब दिख रहा है, आप देखकर बोल रही है। कितने क्रॉप से MSP मिलती है वो भी बता दीजिए।
Let me tell you, the
जी।
Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on price assurance. This is the contract one. On price assurance and Agricultural Services Act, and the
Very good.
third one is the Essential Commodities.
अब बताइए
Amendment Act
MSP कितने
2020.
क्रॉप्स पे मिलती है?
22
MSP कितने
to
क्रॉप्स पे
23?
मिलती है? वेरी गुड। MSP कितने क्रॉप्स पे मिलती है बताइए।
बता तो रही हूँ,
बताइए।
22 to 23.
अच्छा, अब ये 3 कानून रिपील हो जाएंगे तो एमएसपी सारे क्रॉप्स पे मिलेगी। और पंजाब के जो कानून में सेक्शन 25 में लिखा है पंजाब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग में कि द प्रोड्यूसर दैट इज द फार्मर विल गो टू जेल इफ ही डज नॉट फुलफिल हिज ऑब्लिगेशंस। इज दैट अ काला कानून अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? बिकॉज दैट प्रोविजन, थैंक यू वेरी मच, इज नॉट देयर इन द contract farming provision that has been made by the central government. So madam, thank you for naming the laws, thank you for knowing you have the information, but tell Rahul Gandhi that provision is in his law, not in the central law.
डिस्कस करना है।
यही तो सरकार कह रही है, क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज डिस्कस कीजिए। यही सरकार कह रही है। अब बोलिए पंजाब का कानून काला है, अब बोलिए पंजाब का कानून काला है, बोलिए पंजाब का कानून काला है।
इंप्लीमेंट हुआ ही नहीं है। और एपी
पंजाब का कानून 2013 से इंप्लीमेंटेड है मैडम। पंजाब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग एक्ट इज इंप्लीमेंटेड फ्रॉम द ईयर 2013। दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम। किसान बहाना है, खालिस्तानियों की मदद से देश को बर्बाद करवाना है। मो को जो आप मान रहे हैं ना, आपका खलीफा, मो को खलीफा मत मानिए। सचिन तेंदुलकर के पेंटिंग, सचिन तेंदुलकर के पोर्ट्रेट पर तो आप ब्लैक पेंट डाल रहे हो और मियां खलीफा को किसान नेता बना दिया है। दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम विद राहुल, दैट फॉर हिम रियाना इज अ किसान नेता। पंजाब के कानून में क्या लिखा है वो तो आपको जानकारी नहीं है, और केंद्र के कानून पर आपको आपत्ति है।
मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह लॉयर हूं।
Well, let me, and Sujata Paul, I want to ask you, these are the same people who desecrated, the statue of Mahatma Gandhi in the United States. These are the same people who are trying to create divisions, and these are the same people who say target Sikhs, get the Sikhs to have a trust issue with the government. I want to ask you, you want to create another separatist mindset in this country, and that too in a very important state like Punjab. Is that the responsibility the Congress carries with it?
It is the responsibility of the government to stop the BJP from interfering and doing politics. Because this is a matter between the farmers and the government of India. BJP has no business to be interfering here. When you're talking about the Khalistan movement, it is a dead and buried movement. Listen, I don't speak in between anybody. I don't speak in between anybody. And Shehzad, if you have the
why are
courage,
you
will keep
latching on
quiet
to
and listen.
Khalistanis?
If you
You
have the
can do
courage, you
politics.
will
Your
sit
leaders
down
can
and
arrive at the
listen
stage of
rather than
Rakesh
stand up
Tikait,
and
which are
speak.
supposed to be apolitical. Jayant Chaudhary to Rahul Gandhi to Priyanka Vadra to everybody can land up at a rally meant for
Shehzad,
किसान।
you don't have
किसान
the
पर आप
patience
कर
to
सकते
listen
हैं
and
सियासत,
rules.
और अगर
You do
बीजेपी
not
के
have the
नेता अगर
guts
कुछ बोलते हैं तो
to
that is not allowed।
listen.
And tell me one thing, if you are so worried about the government talking to the Kisan directly,
I would like
the
to
Supreme
correct
Court
you. I
has
never said
intervened,
that my
then why do you
government
need
is
the
not
clutches of Rihanna
competent to
and Mia Khalifa?
tackle the issue
Why do
of
you need
farmers.
Mo
If my
Khalistani
government
to
gets
tweet all these things? Mo
it will be
Dhaliwal,
able to
his
do
Khalistani
that.
agenda
When
to
we
run
are
this
talking
campaign.
about- and
The
Dr.
problem is
Trivedi, there is one
that the
thing I
Congress
have
party
strict
in Modi
objection
Virod
to.
is always open to doing Desh Virod, because
Shehzad, I'm
किसान
not talking
बहाना
to
है,
you. Can I
देश
talk
पर
to
निशाना
Dr.
है। This is not the
Well,
first time.
well, I only want to end this debate with just one sentence.